Good morning, class, and welcome to your science class. And which chapter is going on? Chapter 10 is going on, and explanation is done now. I hope all of you understand uh, uh, about what is a water, how many sources of water, okay, and how many forms of water, and water cycle also. All points are clear now. So, students, today we will discuss about the book exercise from this chapter. So, everyone ready with your book? Everyone open now in your book, page number 82. Okay, first we are completing now the book exercise from this chapter. So, everyone open your book. Okay, students, here mention now I am the chapter name, chapter 10, and this is water for all. Okay, this is your chapter, and today's we are completing now the book exercises. Page number 82. Okay, 82 to 83. All things are completed now. Okay, hope all of you open your books. First is in your book, this is the first question is take the correct option. So everyone open now your book. Okay, first question is, here I have mentioned all the answers only, students. Okay, first is take the correct options. Correct options. Okay, according to your book, first question is main source of water on the earth is. The option will here A. Rain, B. River, C. Ocean, D. Groundwater. Think about it, student. What is the main source of the earth is? The main source of the earth is water on the earth is, that is rainwater. Okay, only here is mentioned now only a rain. That's why your right answer is rain. And all of you choose now which option? A option. A option will here write and you put here tick the correct. Okay. Then question number 2 is here. Question number 2. Which of these is not a form of water? Okay. Which is not what is here? Form of water. The options are first is ice, second is steam, C water, D smoke. Ice is a form of water, yes. Steam also, steam vapor, and water we drink it. That's why your D option will here right. Smoke. Smoke is not form of water. So your D option will here correct. And everyone choose now this one. Smoke. And you put here tick. Okay, then move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is on cooling. Students, look at here in your book. On cooling, water change into first A ice, B steam, C smoke, D droplets. On cooling, water change into, okay, on cooling, water change into ice. Your right option will here ice. Okay, so everyone choose now this word ice. Don't confuse now here. Ice is right option. Okay, see, A option will here right. This is ice. Okay, then move to the question number 4. Melting is the process in which A option will here ice change into steam. Melting ice change into steam. No. B steam change into water. No. Ice change into water. Melting. When your ice cream is melting now, what will happen? what will happen? Ice cream is changed into water now. That's why you choose now C option. And here C option is right. Ice change into water. Number 4 is C. Ice change into water. Okay, everyone choose now this option, and this option is here right. Okay, number 5 is freezing is the process. Freezing, too much cooling. Okay, freezing is the process in which ice change into steam. No. Ice change into water. No. Water change into steam. No. Freezing is the process in which water convert into ice. That's why D option will here correct. So everyone choose now D option. Freezing means water change into ice. Okay, your D option will here correct. Okay, after that move now. Next question. Question number B, that is true false. True false. Okay. Here mention now I am only answer T for true, F for false. Okay student, first is drinking water is in liquid form. Yes, we drink water in which form? That is liquid form. That's why this sentence is a true. T I mention now. Here is true. Question number 2 is water change into steam on heating. This sentence is also true. Number 3, changing of water in different forms is nature. Different form is nature is called water cycle. Sometimes that water is in liquid form, sometimes that water is changed into gas form as a water steam, and sometimes that water change into ice form, in solid form. And this process is continuously running now in our nature, and this process is called water cycle. Yes, this sentence is also true. Okay students, number 4 is here steam changes into liquid on vaporization. Vaporization and evaporation both are same process, and in this process the water change into steam, but according to sentence steam change into liquid on vaporization. That's why this sentence is true. False, that's why this sentence is here false, because according to this sentence, look at here everyone, steam change into liquid. No, that's why in vaporization liquid change into steam. That's why this sentence is number 4 is false. Okay students, number 5 is this is last true false. Falling of rain from the clouds is due to the process of condensation. Falling of drops, when the drops are falling to the earth, this process is condensation? No, this process is precipitation. That's why this sentence is false. So everyone write now here false. Okay, your true false is done now. After that, question number C. Question number C, name the following. Name the following. Okay. First question is the process in which water changes into steam on heating. That process is called, just I told you, vaporization or evaporation. So everyone right now the answer number 1 is in C section, that is vaporization. Vaporization. Number 2. Question number 2. The process in which steam change into liquid. Steam change into liquid form. It means steam is cooling down. Yes or no? C for cool, C for condensation. Steam change into liquid, that is condensation. Condensation. Number 3 is the process in which heavy water drops fall from cloud as rain. This process is called precipitation. Precipitation. Okay, these spellings are long, student. So everyone learn these spelling very carefully. Okay, number 4 is, according to sound you learn it. The process in which water flows and collect back into the rivers, lakes and ponds. This process is called collections. This process is called collection. Number 5 is, change in the form of water in nature. It means water change in different forms in nature. According to this sentence, the question is asking, look at here, question number 5 everyone. Change in the form of water in nature. It means water change in different forms in nature. That is called which process? That is water cycle. Water cycle. In water cycle, water change its solid form, its liquid form and its gas form. In all forms. Okay. Next, move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is here. Channel of water flowing down a mountain, that is called stream. That is called stream. Then move to the next question. I am genius. Okay, student. I am genius. And this is very interesting questions, students. And you are enjoying now this questions. I am genius. First question is, I live in the ocean. Everyone listen this question very carefully. This question. I am a genius. These questions I tell you. Okay. I am genius. First question is asking here. I live in ocean, rivers and seas. When I am cold, I float. I float. When I am hot, I am free. Identify me. What is my name? Tell me student, think about everyone. I live in the ocean. मैं live ocean में हूँ and rivers and sea. I am cold. I floating. And when I am hot, I am free. I convert into gas. And identify me. Who am I? This is ice. So everyone right now the first question. Answer number 1 is here ice. Student, first answer is ice. Ice live in the ocean, in the glaciers, Himalayan glaciers. Okay, when there is very cold, that ice is floating on the ocean. Okay, and when the summer season is started now, this ice is converted into some steams. That time that ice is free. That's why your right option will here ice. Right answer is ice. Okay, then move to the question number 2. Answer number 2. Question number 1 is, I am a sparkle. Okay, student, sorry, this is question number 2. According to your book, for question number 2 is, I can sparkle, but I am not a star. I can run, but I have no legs, without legs. I fall, but I don't get hurt. I am found in bath, but I have not a rubber duck. I can help you clean, but I am not a soap. What am I? Think about it, students. This is good question now. Your right option will here. That is water. That is water. Everyone write now the water. Water can sprinkle, but it is not a star. And water can run, but it have no leg. Water fall, but it don't get hurt. Okay, and water is found in bath, but it have not a rubber duck, and water can help you clean, but it is not a soap. That's why your right answer will here water. Okay, student, hope all of you complete your book exercise and book. After that, open your copies and write now these hard words in your copy. Okay, students, this work is copy work. Okay, so everyone write down the hard words from this chapter and everyone learn now all hard words. First is water cycle. Water cycle. Second hard word is vaporization. Vaporization. Third word is evaporation. Evaporation. Fourth is condensation. Condensation. Number 5 is precipitation. Precipitation. Number 6 is collection. Number 7 is water vapor. Number 8 is liquid. 9 is solid. And last word is from this chapter. 10 is freezing. Everyone write now these hard words in your copy. After that we will discuss the question answer from this chapter. Okay. Hope all of you done know the questions. These hard words. Hope all of you completed now these hard words neatly in your copy. In next class, we will discuss the question answer from this chapter. After this, that completing question answer from this chapter, I will give you revision for your UT second. Okay, students. Till then, have a nice day.